Have you ever wondered how the cement that builds our cities is made? Let me show you every step inside this factory.
Ready for the next load on the south side.
Cement production begins in massive limestone quarries.
Limestone is extracted using powerful excavation machines.
The raw material is transported to the processing plant. Large rocks are crushed into smaller fragments.
The crushed material moves to the grinding section.
Limestone and clay are finely ground into raw powder.
Engineers carefully control the chemical composition.
The raw mix is blended for uniform consistency. The raw mix enters the preheater tower. Hot gases begin heating the material before kiln entry. This massive rotating kiln reaches over 1400 degrees Celsius. Inside, chemical reactions transform the raw mix.
Temperature and rotation are carefully controlled.
The material transforms into clinker, the heart of cement. The hot clinker is rapidly cooled.
Cooling stabilizes the material structure.
The cooled clinker is ground into fine powder. A small amount of gypsum is added to control setting time. The final product becomes fine cement powder. The cement is stored in large silos.
Automatic machines fill cement into heavy-duty bags.
Workers prepare the bags for transport.
This video creating for educational purpose. The finished cement is loaded for delivery.
Samples are collected regularly to test cement quality.
Engineers test compressive strength to ensure durability. Chemical composition is checked for perfect balance.
Cement is also loaded directly into bulk transport tankers.
Flow control ensures safe and precise loading. Regular maintenance keeps the plant running efficiently.
Strict safety checks protect workers in extreme conditions.
Advanced filters reduce dust emissions inside the plant.
Operators monitor every detail around the clock.
Thousands of cement bags move through the packing line daily. Robotic systems improve speed and precision.
Pallets are wrapped securely for transport. This video creating for educational purpose.
Forklifts transport finished products to loading bays.
Cement is loaded and prepared for nationwide delivery.
From factory to construction sites, the journey begins.
It supports skyscrapers and massive infrastructure projects.
Cement strengthens highways and bridges worldwide. Behind every structure stands this powerful process. And that's how cement is made. Kilns, the backbone of modern construction.
Built by skilled workers and powerful machines.